Hi, this is a short presentation of the Personal Credit Cloud, the only do-it-yourself one-click credit repair software. It has a super calendar where you can put when you need to do the next rounds or any task that you want to add to the calendar. And it's very simple to use. You only need to do 3 steps. First step, enter client, which is yourself. So I'm gonna put here John Smith, and I'm gonna put a social security, a fake one of course, and a date of birth. Let's invent one, and gonna save it. So basically you enter yourself. You can have up to 3 users here, so you yourself and someone else. Then you enter the credit report login. You can import from Identity Q, ProCredit, Privacy Guard, or Smart Credit with one click. So let's say that we're doing it from Identity Q. So we're going to put here username, password, and the last 4 digits of the social. So that is step 2. Once you have that, you have step 3, extract disputes. Just one click will go to the credit report and extract all derogatories. But most importantly, in this case, we have extracted 41. The creditors, the account IDs, well, inquiries don't have account IDs, but they have dates, and 1 line per bureau, which is very important to know the history of communication, and then the status. But also it assigns the letters automatically, which only we do, and the reasons also, so you don't need to know much about how to do credit repair, because the program does it all for you. And then you only click print selected disputes, and pretty much and we can open them here, and from here we can see Equifax with all the disputes, and then Experian, and then TransUnion, and that's pretty much that. You can save them to your hard drive or print them to your printer, and then you can print the envelopes, and pretty much that's that. And the status becomes in progress, and the follow-up date is set up. So that means that when it's time that you're gonna put that into your calendar, when it's time to do the next round, usually in 35 days or so, you will know. You can be here. In this case, we have these 2 tests that we've done before, and this one that we have done right now. So you will pretty much click on the dispute center to go and extract again, and that will be that. That's the way that you dispute. It's extremely easy, plus you will have a training video that would explain how to do it in detail. Thank you.